So firstly, we have our stick-on tips that we're going to be using to create the marble design. So as always, the first step is to apply your base coat. You have to apply the base coat evenly. I like applying my base coat thinly on it so that it won't be like too bulky before applying the first layer of the gel polish. Make sure your base coat make sure the base coat is applied evenly. These are what I'm going to be using for this design: this orange nude and this red gel polish with glitters on it. So to start our design, first go with the nude pink. I'm going to be creating a thin layer of the nude pink. This is how I apply my gel polish. I start from the top, then I slowly go downwards, especially when I'm doing for press-on nails, that's not on client's fingers. So you just apply evenly and make sure to touch all the sides. The first coat is usually not so neat. It's just like a base, a foundation for the second layer. I also use a thinner coat for the first coat. So for my second layer, I would go again with my nude so that the color will be more vibrant. Not vibrant, like, so the color will be more popping, like won't be transparent. So this is my second coat. You can see how even and smooth the second coat is. So this is my liner brush. This is EZ Flow liner brush. This is the small size. I have the medium and the large, but for this design I'll be using the small size. I'm curing my second coat. I usually cure for 2 minutes after each coat. So firstly, I'm going to use my liner brush. I'm going to start with the red. I'll remove the brush of the red polish, then go in with the liner brush. First I would I'm doing this to make it stick together. I'm going to make this brush stick together, and I'm going to create a slant line so that I would know where my design is ending. Now I'm just blending in the red around the portion for my design. Feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. As you can see, it's very shabby, it's not even at all. So next I'm going with my orange. I'm just going to put 2 drops around. Then I'm going to go back using my liner brush to blend in with the red. So here I made a mistake so I'm going to fix that quickly, still using my liner brush to cover it up. As you can see, right now we still have more of the orange, but I want the red to be like dominant color in this marble design. So I'm going back with the red. I put 2 drops and then I blend it in with the orange. When you're blending, don't blend it in to form one color. Marble design is like more of strokes of each color blending together without it actually mixing up to become one color. As you can see, it's already coming out very finely. Then you just adjust it to your likeness. You can add more of any of the other color according to how you want it to be. I'm trying to make the line not so straight at this point. I'm just trying to make it look more natural. So I've cured my design and now I'm applying my top coat. Make sure your top coat is applied to all sides to avoid it peeling. Now this is the final design. Such a beautiful marble design.